Oh, I look real, right? Well, joke's on you. I'm 100% AI. Created the text, the guy who literally made me look this good.
Around. He's going to teach you how to create your own AI influencer. And trust me, it's easier than finding a loyal partner these days.
This today's video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create it. So we are gonna go with this HiggsField AI, and as you know, we get here option to make your own character. Okay, so basically we are gonna generate an AI model of an character, and we can prompt anything to that AI model. Our image will be always consistent. So in order to develop that AI model, we have to first generate at least 20 images, okay, so that we are able to train that model. So in order to generate, I'll show you how you can do it. So basically in this mode, I am selecting the Nano Banana Pro. We'll go with different modes, so let's see how it will be. So at very first I have opened the chat GPT. The funda is simple. Any prompt you have to give it to HiggsField, just come on chat GPT, brief it up, and just copy paste the prompt. So basically in this video I'm gonna create the male character, as I told you, male influencer. So I have just prompted the chat GPT to give me a brief about AI influencer who is male and the prompt to feed HiggsField AI. So as you can see, finally I have got my perfect prompt. What I will do is I'll just copy paste it and I'll click on generate. So our first process is to choose the best face, good looking photo, okay, of the person. So while using this Nano Banana Pro, I noticed that it's looking AI generated. So we are gonna switch to HiggsField Soul model, as you can see. And what we'll do is I'll just select this iPhone option. The image generated will be realistic like iPhone click, and the result is in front of you. So I didn't like any of this pic from here, so what I'll do is I'll again regenerate one. So this is something okay, you can say, but let's regenerate. And this is literally mind-blowing, you can see. And finally I will go with this character. Okay, so we are gonna build consistent character, and we will go with this one. No, not this, just above him. Yeah, this guy is perfect. Okay, so what I'll do is just you have to click, and you have to click on the download button. That's it. And in this way you can generate the plenty of the images until and unless you are satisfied. Okay, and once you are done, just download that fixed consistent character image. And now what we'll do is we'll just copy paste this image on chat GPT, and we will tell him that finally we have generated the image. Okay, and just after doing this, you have to switch back to the HiggsField Soul, and what we'll do is finally a step one has been completed. So basically we have generated a proper beautiful face, and what we'll do is we have to just generate more pics from that image. So what we'll do is we'll just change the multi-reference model. As you can see, I have done it, and we'll prompt chat GPT again that we have to generate many more images, and then your work is to give me the prompt, okay, accordingly, with different poses and each and every stuff. And you can see the final prompt is on the screen. So the final prompt is, now we have to generate many more images with the above image as reference image. So give me prompts to field multi-reference model of HiggsField AI, so that we can do this photo shoot and make sure that it shall be perfect modeling poses and zoom into. So make it accordingly. So as you can see, finally I have got plenty of prompts, right? So what we'll do is we'll just upload the generated image in this HiggsField Soul model as a reference one, and we'll copy paste this prompt here. Okay, and you can just generate it on 2 to 3 batches, and let's see what our generation will be. So finally step one have been completed. We have generated a fixed face, and now we are just generating plenty of the images. So as you can see, first prompt was like normal, and it has also generated the same stuff. Now let's go with another prompt. Maybe he is wearing a different clothes, you can try. So basically here my work is to show you the process. Okay, and as you can see, as the prompt consisted of the denim jacket, we can see the exact outfit, right? So just look at the face clarity, it's all awesome. So by this way you can even prompt this chat GPT that you can change his clothes and plenty of the stuff. So basically what we are doing here is, at very first we generated our AI influencer face, we selected it, and then we selected that face and we uploaded it in the multi-reference model as the reference image. And then we are just delivering the prompts from the chat GPT, and we are directly copy pasting it in the HiggsField AI. So that is plenty of easy stuff, right? Like each and everything is carried on by AI. You are just telling what you have to do, right? So this is something awesome. So the more perfect images you will get, the more images you can keep adding so that your output become consistent, right? Although I have created a video on how you can generate a female influencer, and finally in this video we are going to generate male one. So you can see, just look at the clarity of the images. They are getting clearer and clearer, and this is absolutely impressive. So finally, by this way you can generate many of the pics. Okay, and now what I'll do is, now I'll directly jump on this and I'm gonna try something different here. Okay, so finally I have generated like up to, how much we can say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to 9 pics. Okay, so basically I have generated 8 pics. So I am experimenting this here. What if I upload 8 consistent pic of the same image, that too rigorously, and train the AI model? So will it able to generate the consistent character? Let's see. So, but I don't think so you shall try this, because I am just experimenting and it's my work to show you and to test the capability of this model also. Finally I have generated 8 pics, and what I am doing is, instead of just uploading the 20 pics, I am uploading that 8 pics continuously until and unless it touches the 70 count. Okay, so basically I have uploaded 70 pics of the same images with one image repetition more than 5 to 6 times. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, let's experiment this. So finally, as you can see, finally I have uploaded the same image many times, and now I'm gonna give the name to that AI model. Okay, now basically let's name the AI influencer, like I don't know what I shall name him, so I asked the chat GPT and we'll go with this stuff. So as you can see, Leon is the best name, I guess. And now let's click on generate, and hardly it can take up to 3 to 4 minutes to generate. And you can see finally we have trained the AI model. It's in queue, and finally we have trained it. And after completion, just you have to click on generate, and finally your AI model is all ready. And what you can do is, you can select any of the visual styles from here, and let's check if this character is able to generate consistent and realistic images or not. Although I checked HiggsField Nano Banana Pro version, but it was not of any use. So this HiggsField Soul is perfect for AI influencer. Trust me guys, the result is in front of you. Although we tried for 0.5 selfie outfit, just look at this. It's absolutely mind blowing, right? So in this way you can generate plenty of the images. Finally we have trained our AI model, and finally we have named it, and you can see everything is working perfectly. But I will suggest you to upload 20 images of different category. Okay, you don't keep it repeating, because the more enhanced your AI model will be, the more awesome your images will be. So as I told you, I uploaded the repeated images until I touched the 70 quantity. The major drawback which I faced here was while generating this flight mode. Okay, so as the images were repetitive, so I guess the AI model wasn't trained that much accurately, and I didn't got the perfect shots according to the flight mode. But if you will check my that consistent AI influencer video of the female version, there each and everything was awesome, right? So basically this is the drawback of uploading that 8 pics continuously until and unless it touches the quantity of 70. So you don't have to repeat it. Okay, so what you can do is, even though this can be fixed, even if you carry on that process, make sure that you are prompting it. Okay, you are prompting, or you are describe the scene of the image, it will work. So I'm not describing any of the scene here. You can see I'm just using easy stuff. Okay, and this time let me just describe it, and let's see what our outcome will be. But trust me guys, we have achieved the character as well as face consistency. Okay, so absolutely 98% of the work have been completed. Okay, that 2% is just of mismatch of the location, you can say, or mismatch of the image which we want to generate in the location and the prompt which we are giving. Okay, but if you go by prompt, it's awesome. So as you can see, still it's not that much accurate, but the reason is the AI model have been trained on the consistent and rigorous images, right? So that's why this glitch is happening. But if you will upload 20 different images, this is not gonna happen at all. The proof is already in that female influencer video which I have already uploaded. Okay, so in this way you can generate plenty of the images. Just understand the process and understand each and every option which I told you here and just follow it. Okay, now finally let's turn this video into a speaking stuff, okay, with an audio. So as you can see, the reason why I love HiggsField is you directly get the audio text option here. You don't have to describe anything about the image, you just have to describe the audio. You can see, and I'm not copying here each and like anything. Okay, I'm not copying anything, I'm just copying this dialogue. Just look at the screen, I'm just copying this dialogue. I want this character to say this dialogue and that's it. So the process have been carried on, as you can see, and after the final process the outcome will be literally shocking. And in this way you can even create plenty of reels of your AI influencers speaking, so that you can make your reel go viral. And trust me, no one can say that this is an AI generation. Even though if they say, it means that you have to generate more awesome, more sharper character. You have to work on your prompts, and trust me, at a particular period of time you can reach the topmost depth of this AI character, in which nobody can even guess that it is generated by AI. Okay, now let's take the final
Hey.
footage.
Hey, hope you are having a good day. Good.
Impressive, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you, and also I have created how you can create brand advertisements for your AI influencer for the brands, and that video is also live on my channel. So till that time, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.